My name is Amna Sayed, and today we'll be talking about Science Club, which helps us to explore, discover, and innovate more. So, why a science club? In Science Club, we believe that every student has an inner scientist which is wanting to be discovered. It is to foster curiosity and scientific thinking through hands on experiments and collaborative learning. It is a space where everyone can explore, question, or discover the wonders of science together. The objectives of a science club are as follows. First, it helps to build a scientific temperament, which helps us to think logically and question things as to why these things are as it is. The next would be the development of skills. It builds the abilities through scientific learning, for example, curiosity. It helps us to serve rational reasoning, etc. The third is to promote healthy competitions. It promotes competition in a positive and fair way. The fourth would be the daily application. When we use scientific applications in real life situations or everyday situations. The next, it will help us to build up inquiry as to asking questions and exploring the answers, why it is happening, what is happening, and how it is happening, and then we explore the answers. The significance of a science club are as follows. It makes the education fun and engaging. It is not rote learning or only lecture or discussion method. It more about hands-on experiences. It helps to develop the problem solving, critical thinking skills. It helps to develop the personality, build confidence and social skills. It also encourages the creativity and ideas, which in turn gets freedom of expression, builds the freedom of expression, and also it helps us to utilize the leisure utilization is done, which we use our free time for constructive writing. The organization of a science club is as follows. The first is the patron, which is the head of the institution. The next would be the science sponsor, that is the science teacher in charge, who acts as a guiding force and advisor. The executive committees are as follows. The first, it is a student executive committee. The first is the chairman, secretary can be one or two, joint secretary, treasurer, liaison officer, ICT, which handles all the technical formalities, the social media, which helps to discover more and helps to share to all other people who are interested in science. Next will be the rapporteur, who writes all the reports regarding each and every activity of the club, the librarian, and the publicity officer. So the constitution, it also has some clubs also have a draft constitution which outlines the aims, membership rules, and duties. The major activities of the clubs are as follows. The first would be the academic activity, which promotes the scientific activities, such as why a particular day is celebrated, or if National Science Day is there, National Mathematics Days, or international as well, then it helps creative and practical activities, such as, for example, if we are organizing a slogan making competition for everyone to participate irrespective of their pedagogy. The next, it would be celebratory activities where we discovered something or we explored something, or on this particular day some scientific innovation happened. And also it helps to do activities such as social or community one, that is going on visits to science centers, planetariums, etc. These are my references. Thank you.